Hi, I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you fun preschool activities about fruits and vegetables. Teaching kids about healthy eating can be really fun and really simple. A great way to do this is to encourage them to eat the colors of the rainbow. So go around the colors of the rainbow and encourage them to pick out fruits and vegetables that match. For example, red for apple, orange for carrot, green for broccoli, yellow for banana, purple for grapes. All of these colors add nutrients to our bodies, and you can encourage kids to add those same nutrients to their bodies. Another great way to incorporate a food demonstration into this activity is to make a smoothie. So smoothies are great because you can put multiple colors in it and get kids to come and really be involved in the process. So for example, the smoothie that I'm going to make today has spinach, strawberry, and banana. So we have green, red, and yellow. One at a time, have the kids come up and pick out their favorite color and fruit or vegetable and put it into the smoothie. Also, you can bring different types of fruits and vegetables that kids may have not seen before to get them excited and interested in learning more about fruits and vegetables. Once all the ingredients are in the blender, get the kids excited about what color the smoothie is going to turn out to be. Let's take a look for ourselves. Since the kids helped with making the smoothie, they're going to be more inclined to try it. Keep encouraging them to eat the rainbow and try different colored fruits and vegetables. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and those are some fun preschool activities on fruits and vegetables.